In a tragic event, a wooden residence located in Sngithiang, Lowe Mawprem, Shillong, was consumed by fire, completely destroyed in the early hours of Monday. According to police sources, the blaze is thought to have originated around 5:30 a.m. of the 27th of November 2023, possibly due to a short circuit in the electrical wiring within the wooden structure, formerly utilized for crafting coffins. As of now, there is no information on injuries resulting from the incident. Additional updates on the situation are anticipated.
Wait, wait, wait. Oh,